Hello guys, welcome back to our AI Just tutorial. In this video, we're gonna be working towards the next step of our workflow. That is the customer support automation. In this video, we will learn how you can connect all your Google tools with our Google Cloud account. And that's really essential and builds on a lot of different kind of possibilities that you can explore further. So this is a really important video that you should not skip. Okay, here we want to select Google Drive because that's what we want to use to try out our Google Cloud account. And we want to set up a Google Drive that's that should be triggered on involving a specific changes to a folder. Okay, so let's connect a new credential. I already have mine, but for the sake of demonstration, let's connect another one. So let's open the docs and look at what it has to say. So it says that there are 5 steps to connecting your n8n credential to Google services. First of all, you need to open or create your Google Cloud console. Here I have already logged in mine, and it's pretty simple. Just follow the steps. It's not that difficult. You just need to click here and there, and that's all. Okay, so here we are on the dashboard of our Google Cloud console, and you can see a demo 2 project here. And I have some projects already made, but when you have a clean clean box over here, you need to create a new project. Click on new project. Just name it as demo 7, and location should be no organization, and it's being created. And once it's created, you're gonna select project and you are on the demo 7 project. After that, you are on the dashboard of demo 7. Just go to quick access and click on API services, because that's where you establish the link between n8n and Google Cloud. So after going here, you need to go to OAuth consent screen, get started. Just name any app, demo 7. Oops, demo 7. Let's wait till it loads. Of course, use your current one, external. Next, again the same email address that you used. Next, and then finish. Okay. After that, you need to go to clients, create a client, application types should be web application, web client 1 is fine, and authorize redirect URLs. So this is where our URL from the n8n would come into play. So just copy this one, copy that and paste it over here so that we can create the establishing link. That is the client secret and client key. I mean client ID. So just copy these and put it back. Put it back in your, oops, so I made a silly error, you know. Okay, I had copied the client ID. Luckily, I just needed the secret, and I thought I lost it. But you can get to see the secret again and again, multiple times. So here's our secret. Sign in with Google, and here you go. Okay, there's one step that I almost forgot. What you need to do is you need to go to your audience and add users because Google Cloud needs to know all the users that we want to give the access to for using the app. And in this case, it's our email. So save. So, and of course, there are so many tools in Google Cloud that you need to go on each one of them and enable them. So in this case, we have Google Drive API that you need to enable like this. And once it's enabled, it should be working perfectly fine. Okay, so once this is configured, you can once again try signing in with Google and it should work this time. Cool, like you see, just continue and select what access you want to give. So just hit on all select all so that there's no hindrance. Cool, so it's connected. So after connecting, you will have the options of selecting a folder and all. Watch for file updated, created, whatever that you want to select. And yep, that's the most fundamental step that you want to have in this. And we will be building on this workflow in the later videos. Till then, stay tuned. See ya.